guys, so here we are on day 2 of our trek. We actually, I don't know about hardest, but I slept pretty well last night considering we were sleeping in here. We slept on bamboo mat floors before, but I've never really slept that well, always uncomfortable and getting pins and needles in my arms, but last night it was really nice, it was good. So we were up at about 6:30, kind of lazed until 7:30. Our guides are making us some breakfast right now, and then once we've had breakfast we're going to pack up and we're going to head off again. So they said today is going to be quite similar to yesterday. So yesterday we walked about 15 kilometers, up, down, up, down, up, down, on these tiny little paths that you would say are like goat paths. They were really covered in leaves, very slippery. It was quite interesting. But yeah, so they said today is going to be a bit more up and down, and then we're going to arrive into a canoe village, and that's where we're going to stay tonight. So yeah, just waiting for breakfast. I'm not sure what it's going to be. I'm sure we'll show you guys in a minute. But yeah, looking forward to today. I feel muscles in my legs a little bit. I feel like I did a workout yesterday, which is good. But yeah, I think today's going to be a little bit easier. You know what it's like if you haven't done any exercise for a while. You get it's a bit of a shock to the system. But no, I think today's going to be good. I just decided to shower in his. Hopefully they'll dry by the time we reach the village.
Come on.
It doesn't taste of anything, it's just dry. Unripe fig.
Yeah, unripe, it's fig. Jungle fig. So this came from that. Little jungle figs. But it's not ripe. It's very... not nice. Maybe later. Stop number 2 today. We got our next little snack. Check out the leaves here. So this is a wild coconut, and he's chopped off one of the growths here. Let's see if I can find it. Basically, just found the centerpiece of it, which is the soft, white, fleshy bit. It's nice. It's fresh. Got some water. It does kind of taste like a coconut flesh, but a little bit less wet, a little bit more earthy. But it's not bad. It's nice. Kind of tastes like palm hearts. Palm hearts. Very nice. Stop number 2. Snack number 2 of the day. Rock and roll. Keep going. Oh, it's pretty steep. There's like a little goat's path here. Come on, Sophie.
Oh,
sour.
Sour.
You ready?
Yeah.
You want some?
Not that sour. Sour. That's juicy.
Hard to get it out. Was it nice? There's a chunk there.
Not that sour? You didn't think it was that sour? Give me a piece, give me a piece. I'm gonna try.
Take.
No. No, I don't know.
Not sour?
No.
Yummy. You eat this one?
No.
Deep.
Chili.
Got our pomelo, or grapefruit, can't decide. Chili powder. And this is rhubarb. There's a big one. Rhubarb.
Delicious.
in the bush next to the
Jungle
banana
buffet after another.
Everybody around the table. Hello.
So
Master
pumpkin,
Chef.
cabbage and chili paste
Okay.
and pork.
So we have pork, pumpkin,
And sticky rice.
pork, pumpkin, cabbage, very spicy things, sticky rice, some salt.
What's
This
this?
is sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
And market soup, market dip.
Beautiful.
Market dip.
Another little thing from the forest that apparently we can eat. It's not bad actually. As far as leaves go, it's pretty good. A bit lemony.
Lemony leaf. Sophie's gonna create a new all-natural organic diet.
It's really not that bad.
Civilization.
Wild mango.
Nice little river here. Beautiful. A nice little sala over here we can have some beer at later. It's our bathroom here. We're right at our village. It's gonna be our homestay. This is our bungalow. For beer later, yeah, we go over there. It's nice, very nice, right on the river. I give the camera to Sophie and she'll show you inside a little bit. I don't think there's enough light. Sophie, can you show off our villa? Can you show off the villa? Yeah, any of you guys can take it. Sure. You can talk. Say hello.
Hi, Bibi. Hi, Sophie.
Hello.
This is our house. I think.
Oh. I think it's low battery. Oh, it's okay. Oh, but it's too dark though, huh? Here's the view outside. This is our family's house. The neighbors. Cute little place.